Yeah. Let me take you back to where I'm from, where it all went down. Check it. Used to be the corner store where mama bought her bread. Now it's something fancy that I can't pronounce instead. Old man Henry used to fix your ride for free. Now they charging double what it used to be. Block parties every summer, speakers on the street. DJ spinning records, everybody on their feet. Kids playing hopscotch, jumping rope to dark. Now they got a fence around the basketball park.
My block ain't what it used to be, but I remember everything. Yeah, I still see the way we used to live, the way we used to play. My block, my old block won't fade away.
Miss Jackson's beauty shop where all the ladies went, talking about their business, every dollar spent. She'd braid my hair for hours, tell me sit up straight. Now that building's empty, sealed up with yellow tape. We knew everybody's name from here to Avenue D. Nobody locked their doors, that's how it used to be. Summers on the stoop, playing cards all night. My old block was magic, everything felt right.
My block ain't what it used to be, but I remember everything. Yeah, I still see the way we used to live, the way we used to play. My block, my old block won't fade away. They can change the buildings, paint over the walls, but they can't take the memories, can't answer my calls. To the past, to the life that made me who I am. This is where I'm from, you better understand.
Now I walk the streets and I don't recognize all the faces different, but I still got my pride. Can't erase the history, can't take what we had. My old block lives in me, the good and the bad. So when you see me rolling through my old neighborhood, don't think I'm lost, baby, I'm just feeling good. Remembering the place that made me stand so tall. My old block, yeah, I won't remember.
My old block ain't what it used to